In this video, I'll explain how we can export this JUnit test into JMeter and put load on this test. So first of all, right click on your project, select export, port as jar file, next. And from here, you have to choose JMeter, the root folder of JMeter where you have downloaded it. Inside it there's live folder, and inside it there's a JUnit folder. So this jar file must be put in this folder. So let's call it JUnit jar file, select jar file, save it, and finish. So now this file is copied into JMeter root folder, the library folder, and JUnit. So this is our target file, Selenium JUnit jar file. The next thing we need to do, we need to copy this Selenium standalone and JUnit. These two jar files, they must be copied into the library folder, the root folder of Apache. Inside it, there's a library folder, and these two jar files should be copied here, JUnit and Selenium standalone. Now run JMeter, go to the root folder, bin jmeter.bat. Now create a new test plan. Let's call it Selenium unit. Okay. Right click, add thread. These are the users, as you know. So let's say we have two users and they will iterate 2 times each. So 2 users and 2 iterations. Let's call it my users. And inside it, now let's add a sampler. So here you have to select the JUnit request as the sampler. JUnit request, select it. So now here let's call it was VMI, and check this option, search for JUnit 4 annotations. Okay, click it, and now here you should see the package that you had used for the test cases. What was the package? It was SJ package, right? So look for SJ package here. This is SJ package. Select it, and now here you should see the test that you have created in this package. So we have created 2 tests, test 1 and test 2. So now select the one on which you want to put load, and then it will be executed. So let's say we have selected test 1, right? So to repeat the steps, first check this option, search for JUnit for annotations. Here the package should appear, and as I mentioned before, the condition is it must be put in this folder, library JUnit. So all jar files here, they will appear inside this drop-down list. Select the relevant package, select the test, and that's it. We're done. Now right click it, and to see the test result, add a listener. Let's say I want to see the results in the form of a table. That's it. We have added a listener. Now save this test. Let's call it I. whatever you want to call it. Now run the test, and here in the table, now we have created 2 users and 2 iterations, so it will open this website 4 times and close it. And here in the command prompt, we should be able to see the console outputs. So starting test 1, so it has initialized 2 tests, then started one, both are started. When they are completed, they will complete and close. As you can see, no test has completed, so we cannot see an output here. In the command prompt, you can see the status. So 2 threads are active. Okay, it closed. It opened another one. Closed. So test 1 completed. Test 1 completed. Starting test 1. So 2 more instances are being initialized. If we see here, these 2 tests have passed and all the statistics are available. The other 2 instances are running. Similarly, if we wanted to put load on test 2, we would add another sampler from JUnit, pick test 2, and then we will select the number of users for that, and so on and so forth. It's taking a bit of time to open the website till the entire page is loaded, and then it will close both of them. So third one is closed and the fourth one is closed. So all the tests have passed and the statistics are here. So in this tutorial, in this short video, we have learned how we can export the tests written in Selenium and JUnit into Apache JMeter and put load on them. In the next video, we'll see the purpose of a headless browser and how to use it in JMeter and JUnit.